What's up, guys? Today I have the YS3M MoYu, basically HuaMeng 3x3, and I'm going to unbox it today for you guys, so let's just get right into it. This is to unbox for a later day, and here it is. Boom! That is beautiful. Alright, so let's get unboxing. There we go. Super shiny and kind of heavy too. Hey, it's Yushengdu. Hello there, 3.47, yep. That's him. Got a nice barcode. Accessory box. Let's see here. It's a nice design. And we got, let's see. Alright, we got this cool purple tension, and then we've got this little tension tool to tension it basically. This goes on the cord so you can adjust it and kind of make it tighter or less tight. This is showing how basically that core thing works, and this is a stand, except I don't think we have that today. And then we've got a pamphlet. This shows F2L, OLL, and PLL basically. And then this is how to solve the cube. I like the design on it, like the logo, I think it looks cool. Just more. That's what it looks like. And now let's open it. Okie dokie. It's kind of tight in there. Alright, now let's get it out. Ooh, feels super nice. Oh! Oh my god. What kind of cube is... Oh my lord. That is beautiful. Holy. Oh my god. Yes, this is the HuaMeng Maglev. So nice. My gosh. It's super fast. And it's like, it's such a like smooth but lubricated feel at the same time. Wow, the insides, I got the Maglev version, so there's no ball cord, but there's Maglev, so the insides are not blue. And let's take this part off. So this is how long the thing goes down in. It's purple, and we'd use something like, we'd use this tool to kind of put it in and then just turn to the right to get a higher tensioning system. It's super good for its $20 cube. Like, this is probably the best ever. There's the dragon scale design. Yep, the magnets are set and it's super nice. I totally agree with it. Let's check the corner cutting. So dude, it corner cuts everywhere. Alright, reverse corner cutting. Okay. So okay, it's pretty good. So let's put this back in. Now, this cube is 55 centimeters and it's 80 grams. So that's the size, basically the weight of the cube. Yeah, I'd say this is such a nice cube. Like, it just, when I do this T-perm, it just feels so like right, like such a Rubik's Cube feeling, you know, like not Rubik's brand, but like Rubik's Cube feeling. It's like how I want my 3x3 main to feel. It's super fast. Like, did you just see that? That's super fast. Let's try the eye moves. This reminds me of the Weilong. Just this one's heavier and this one's lighter. I really, oh my god, bro. That's so good. It's so good. Oh my god, this is for 20 bucks. Definitely recommend. So now let's do some solves. Here we go. Alright, let's scramble this bad boy up. Oh. Oh. So smooth. Okay, that's a 21.60. Ooh. $15. 15.68. Oh my god. Definitely breaking some PBs with this. 18, okay. Cool. Oh my god, it's so clean. 19. Oh, I messed that up. Alright. Cool. The average was 19.45. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. And subscribe if this helped. Like and share. I think this cube is super good. Definitely recommend. It's so fast. And yeah. See you guys in the next one. Peace.